Yes, welcome to Market Maddie. Friday, USA markets closed very strong, and if you watch closely, Dow and S&P 500 were very strong, but Nasdaq was a bit wavering and very volatile throughout last week. It was very volatile and it was very fluctuating from up to down continuously. So now we are going to discuss how US markets are going to be in this video today. Now let's see first Dow Jones, where it closed so Dow opened at 41,366 on Friday, and high is 41,585, and low is 41,145, and closed at 41,563 plus 228 points up. Dow futures are showing down, and Dow closed above Dow TCR, that is trend change rate, what I have told you as a reference level, where if that current price is above that level, it will be an uptrend. Below that level, that's going to be downtrend. That we are naming it as TCR, trend change rate. That TCR is 41,366. That is the TCR. And if the Dow has already closed above that, will Dow go to 41,825 today or not? That is to be checked. Now today trading will be very simple for even US indices also. If Dow breaks 41,366, then it will go down. If Dow stays above 41,366, it's going to be up and it will go to 41,825. This is the only combination which will work out for today and tomorrow or next 2-3 days. See, now we are seeing the chart today. You can see how the chart started moving after 41,366. You can see almost nearly 200 points jump almost to 41,563. So actual level to go is 41,863 is the level to go. Will it go to that level or not? That is to be watched. Will it go to 41,563 or not? That we have to look into this. 41,825, sorry, not 41,863, 41,825 or not. That is to be watched today. Now let's see the stocks which are going to contribute to the moment of Dow and Nasdaq. Here CAT, MCD, GS, HD, V and Amazon, all these are in uptrend, and the uptrend will continue even today and tomorrow also. And Microsoft, MSFT and CRM, these two are in downtrend, and they may bounce back over a period of time. Whether they bounce back or not, it depends upon the opening, where they get opened and how that is going to be. That has to be watched today. So here the Microsoft, it has already come and touched almost 419 or something yesterday. Now we have to see where that gets opened. Then only you have to conclude. CRM is also the same. So there is already 6 stocks are supporting Dow Jones and 2 are not supporting Dow Jones. So whether it is going to go to 41,825 or not, let's just see and watch today after opening. Now let us check DIA position. DIA is ETF of Dow Jones, and it opened on 30th at 414.5 and touched a high of 416.55, low of 412 and closed at 416.35. If you see my videos for the last almost 1 week, 10 days, I have been telling from 408 that DIA will come to 414, then to 417. It has almost come to 417. Now today it closed at, yesterday, Friday, it closed at 416.25. Now if it stays above 415, because the TCR of Dow Jones, this DIA is 415. If it stays above 415, then it will try to go to 424. Sorry, if it stays above 415, it will go to 424. If it breaks 415, then it will try to go down. So that let us watch whether it's going to go break 415 or it's going to cross and stay above 415. That you have to watch to decide the trend of DIA. Then now next let us check Nasdaq. Nasdaq, how it's going to be, let us just check. Nasdaq futures are also down, and it is above the TCR of Nasdaq is 17,656. If it breaks, it will go down. If it stays above, it will maintain uptrend to 17,926. Nasdaq has on Friday, what has happened is 17,656 is the opening, and high touched is 17,715, low is 17,498, and closed at 17,713. It closed up 197 points. So now today, whether it is going to go up or not, that is to be watched. If it stays above 17,656, take it for granted, it will go up and it will go to 17,926 once again. So let us watch where it gets opened actually. Though the futures are down, we don't know whether the futures may turn positive before opening itself, or after opening the market will try to shoot up. Let us watch whether it's going to happen or not. And now here you are seeing the chart. Even you see in this chart also, after 17,653, it shot up almost 100 points. 70 points almost it shot up and closed at 17,713. So this is the 17,656 is the level you have to watch very closely as the TCR. Now the stocks about Nasdaq stocks are Apple and AVGO, Amazon and Meta and Microsoft. Microsoft is yet to come to uptrend. These are in almost fairly uptrend, and Nvidia has downtrend. Actually, it has to cross 120 to get uptrend for that. Otherwise, as long as it is below 120, it is going to be in downtrend only. If it crosses today 120, then it will try to go up to next levels. So this is about stock supporting the higher. Even if you keep Microsoft as a not really uptrend stock and medium stock, it is a medium trend stock. So all the above 5 stocks like Amazon and Apple and all those things are Meta, AVGO, they are in uptrend. So naturally Nasdaq at the moment after opens, though it opens flat or little down, it will try to certainly shoot up and go up to next levels. That's what we feel from our side. Then let us check Nasdaq ETF QQQ, how it is going to be. See, Nasdaq QQQ 30th, it closed at 475. It opened at 475 and closed, touched high of 476, low at 470 and closed at 476.2. So because it closed at 476.2, if it stays above 475, if QQQ stays above 475, it's going to be an uptrend and it will go to the next level. It will go to next level, and if it stays below 475, if it breaks below 475, then it will certainly go to downtrend. So what we have to check is whether it is going to stay above 475 or not. If it stays above 475, it will go to 486. So watch that level, 486. If it stays above 475, it will go to 486. That is the level to be watched for the upside level. Then now let us check S&P 500, how it's going to be. S&P 500 is actually very strong and uptrend, and it is supposed to go to 5259. We have been discussing almost for so many time. Even S&P 500 futures are also almost flat, down by -5. Here S&P 500 TCR is about that is key level is 5613, and if it stays above, it is going to be uptrend. If it stays below, if it breaks below, it's going to be downtrend. As a closing, it closed at 56.48. That is plus 56 points. It closed on a Friday, so it is undoubtedly an uptrend only. So how it's going to be today's opening? Let us just see how it's going to be, where it gets opened or something. How it's going to work out. Because if it crosses 5659, then the trend is going to be more stronger for S&P 500. And where next move that we'll be discussing in tomorrow's video. Probably today it may go up only to that level, or it may be stagnant only. It may not move much. That's what I just feel. Then there is a chart of S&P 500 which you are watching. You can just see even after 5616 how strong it is. It was on Friday. You can just check 5653. Then almost from there it almost went up to 5646 or something. It closed. You can see the green candles how they formed. This is about this S&P 500 stock. And let us discuss about ETF of S&P 500, that is SPY. See, it opened at SPY opened at 560 and closed, high is 564, closed at 563. So the trend change rate for S&P 500 SPY is 561. If it is because it closed at above 561, that is at 563, it may try to go up. If it is above 561, then it will go to 573. If it breaks 561, then it will come down. So that is to be watched today. Where it gets opened, that's going to be very important. This is all about today's markets and how US markets are going to be. US markets are in uptrend only. Data will come every day. Data will come, unemployment data, that data, this data. But don't give too much importance to that data or whatever it is. Finally, our trends matter. This trend, as long as these stocks, these three indices are above these levels, they are going to be up. Now watch for S&P 500. 5613 is the level to watch. If it is above that level, it is going to be up. If it is below that level, it is going to be down. Then Nasdaq 17,656 is the level to watch. If it is above that level, it will be an uptrend. Otherwise, it will downtrend. And similarly, Dow Jones, it is 41,366 is the level to watch. If it is above that level, it will go up. If it is below, it will go down. These are the things to watch and note. Subscribe to Market Madi if you are happy with us. If you are at least getting some difference, if you are feeling some difference between our analysis and the regular different charts, indicators, and all type of indicators, moving averages, and all those things. If you feel any difference between our analysis and the existing or old analysis for the last so many years, please share our video to your friends and other relatives also. So subscribe to Market Madi if you are happy with us. Thank you.